This is yours. Hi, baby.
And I started going down the street doing a crazy man dance. I went upstairs and he came right into the house and he was covered with paint on his head. Even the family dog was in pain. She was running around trying to make it other neighbors and a woman's parking car were attacked. That was really beat them all. So there wasn't, previously there was
Crazy weather. Oh crap! TV just went out. Huge. Here it comes. Insane. Insane. Mother Nature is insane. Totally amazing, but insane. Woo! We are in the thick of it now. Totally in the thick of it. Wow. This is pretty crazy. The rain is finally slowing down. But as you can see, the street's pretty flooded. Crazy. Quick though. Quick. Ooh, I don't know if I got that, but that was big. And that was right there. Right over there. You can hear it. It's like right overhead now for the most part. Oh, I definitely got that one. Wow.
Chris, you know what I'll do tomorrow morning? I'll wash them and put them in the dryer. Will you bring them from the downstairs up?
I definitely got that one on video.
What?
The lightning. Really? Oh, there's a birdie.
Where?
A seagull.
Where?
See it over there? It's flying into the clouds.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that was fast. The rain's all pretty much gone. Street is a mess. Nice and flooded. Wonder if it'll come back.